At the booth of Solvay, we meet Global Commercial Manager Werner Schmidt to talk about the company's main topics here at SCHNEIDEN 2017. The Knock-A-Lock app exists for 3 years now. Solvay has released an update. So what does the app offer?
We have new products which are listed. We have packaging with all dimensions for container shipments. The production guys find calculators for slurry concentration, for flux loadings. And we have a detailed description about the brazing process in an encyclopedia.
What's new and different?
We have a new Knock-A-Lock product branding and the updated product list. And the updates are related to all the new systems, iOS, BlackBerry and Android.
Solvay operates a lot of production plants. So what is produced in these plants?
Right now we have 4 sites. Our main site is in Bad Wimpfen, Germany, close to Stuttgart. There we concentrate on flux specialties. This site also supplies raw material for our German second site, close to Hanover. And we have 2 sites in China and Korea, which mostly produce the basic grade flux products, which we supply from there globally.
Does Solvay plan to build new plants?
Yes, indeed. We will increase capacities in Asia, and we also intend to do something in North America.
Abrasive bonds are also a topic here. So what do they have to do with brazing and with Schweissen und Schneiden?
Nothing, but we have a common factor. That's the melting, the dissolution of the oxide layer, and this is the common factor for both of these applications.
Let's talk about your paste production. Which kind of tool do we see here?
That's a core of the folded tube mill, which normally runs with 100 meters per minute. And with this dispensing unit, it runs without pulsing, very consistent, continuous product transport. If you want, also with ultrasonic cleaning of the nozzles.
But you don't produce it?
No, you're right. But we are in cooperation with the equipment producers to adapt our products with the equipment and fine-tune it. We have more or less 2 different grades in our portfolio, the glycol-based pastes and the isobutene-based pastes, and branding with the SO1 and O28 product names.
These were the main topics here at the booth of Solvay at the SCHNEIDEN 2017.